Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 4 trades. Today's date is October the 4th and it was based on yen weakness. It actually dropped right down to 0%, so I knew I was going to get some pips. And I did 4 trades because I never know which one will move the most. And of course, in this video I'll show you how you can trade. Like, let's say you have a day job and 9 to 5. You're in North America, of course, and this will be great if you're in the Eastern time zone, whereas you can work 9 to 5, 9 to 4, whatever, come home, have your dinner. This is 5 p.m. here where this line is, and then of course after your dinner you can get in front of the charts, look at the charts, look at the meter, make sure you check that there's no high impact news. There's none today. The yen market opens at 7 p.m., which is right around this area right here. Now this first yen did take off, but I was looking at the other yen pairs, and by the time I took a look at this, I got this big red candle. So I just had to hang tight and wait till it came back up and gave me an opportunity to close the trade on the winning side. So all these trade, well, let's see. Took this trade at quarter after, 14 minutes after. They were all at around quarter after 7, and I closed them all at 8:40. So for less than an hour and a half trading, looked like I did pretty good. Of course, I had a lot of help with my Pro Trigger system. I love it, makes trading easy, especially with this timing indicator. It's a custom indicator. You won't find it on the internet. So anyhow, let's see where I got in at. Swiss yen, let's just drag and drop. As I said, I took the trade. I was making pips, went a bit against me. Let's see what it went against me. It was about 19 pips, and I closed it out with 2 pips, and 2 pips on the Swiss yen paid me $132. So keeping the fact that the yen was very weak, and then I took the 4 pairs that I thought were the best ones to trade. Let's clear up the charts here. Let's check out the euro yen here, drag and drop it up. This one did better. Let's see what I got in here, and I closed. It actually did go against me about 6 or 7 pips, and looks like I closed it out with 13 pips, and 13 pips on the euro yen paid $1,184. Now remember, don't let anybody tell you that you cannot make any money in the Asian session because the market is moving so slow. As you can easily see, there's a lot of money to be made during the Asian time frame. Now I know London will pump out a lot of pips along with the New York, but there is nothing wrong with the Asian. Okay, let's try the pound yen. Let's see how that worked out. Now the pound and the euro are my 2 favorite pairs to trade. But once the market is moving, you can trade whatever you like. This one went against me 9 pips, and I closed it out with 22 pips. And 22 pips on the pound yen paid $2,093. Another great Asian trade. Now on the last one here, Aussie yen, let's drag and drop it up. On this one, let's see what it went against me. A whopping 4 pips, and I closed it out with 23 pips, and 23 pips on the Aussie yen paid $21 41. Now for tonight's trading, total pip count was 60 pips, and 60 pips paid $5,552. Another great trading session using my Pro Trigger. Keep in mind that the Pro Trigger comes with 4 templates. Now if your system is not producing like my Pro Trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it, and to do so all you have to do is look right below this video and you will see this write-up. It's my Pro Trigger system. I do charge $250 for it. Comes with 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. I would never trade without a meter, as it tells me which pairs I should be trading. Now, not all meters are the same. I had to go through about a dozen meters before I found a good one. If you have one that's not good, guess what? The broker's going to take your money. So anyhow, moving right along, there's a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. This will help you in your education on how to trade the markets. There's a lot of education in here. Now I do teach a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there are 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Now my number 1 way to trade is a great way to trade, and that is exactly the way I traded on these 4 pairs. It has a very high success rate as long as you know how to trade it properly. Anyhow, what makes this Pro Trigger just a little bit better than my other trigger systems are within these training videos right here. In each and every one of these videos, I give out a lot of advanced training and a lot of advanced tips and tricks. Also teach how to get near perfect timing entries, how to stay in the trade for more pips, and how to trade at the right hand edge, and also how to trade higher time frames. And of course I do teach how to trade the Pro Trigger version number 2. Version 1 I did about 1 year and 4 months ago, and I updated with 13 new training videos over the past month, and that's what makes this system a fantastic trading system. Now in all the videos I show dozens and dozens of great trade setups, so what the chart should look like just prior to pulling the trigger. Also teach how to back test the Pro Trigger. I do this every weekend, 6 to 8 hours, using the built-in tester in the MT4 platform. Not only do I love doing it, but now it helps you to train your eyes and your brain, and you can find trade setups really fast once you know exactly what to look for. Also teach how to scan the market. I do teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. Also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals. When the market comes back to the goal line, that's a pullback, and if it breaks through and keeps going down or up, like past the goal line, I call that a reversal. Also teach how to trade around the goal line. There's always a lot of trade opportunities around the goal line. Also teach how to trade the news, and also teach how to trade with a day job, which was a pretty good example today, but I go into more advanced training on how you can let it ride through the London session and wake up with 50, 100 pips or more as you are sleeping. That works great for people who are in North America or South America. Now if you have any questions, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. And remember, it's easy to make a connection. All you got to do is click on this link. And as I said, there's a free session which will probably last about 45 minutes. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link, you'll see 27 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.